guys, today we are in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we are standing in front of the Funnel Cake Factory. This place has been here for 41 years. And the main reason people come here is to get all the sweet treats they have inside there. But we're not coming here for that. We're coming here because we heard they have a great corn dog. It's lunchtime, so we're gonna get one of those and a jumbo deep fried hot dog. And while we're here, we might go ahead and get some funnel cake. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
Now to find the Funnel Cake Factory, I'm gonna make it real simple for you. It's right here on the Parkway, directly across the street from the live alligator store. Traffic light number 7. And make it even simpler, everybody knows where the old Mill District is. There's that entrance. It's right beside it on the left. Funnel Cake Factory. Have some picnic tables to sit on out there, and a few more tables directly in front. Here we go. Corn dogs for $5. Deep fried jumbo hot dogs for $5. Let's head in. How you doing? Great. All right, guys, we are here with Kristen. She's going to tell us a little bit about the Funnel Cake Factory.
Well, the funnel cakes, he's been making for 40 years, almost 41 years. Same gentleman started this when he was 19. The funnel cakes come with toppings on the left. You can create your own. There's also some recipes that you can choose from. They all come traditional with the powdered sugar. Red Velvet is its own batter, and all the batter is made here in-house daily. Apple pie is definitely our #1 seller. But if it's in the house, we can put it on a funnel cake. This summer, people were coming in and getting banana split sundaes on their hot fudge cake. on their funnel cake.
Wow, that's
And
a
We
lot.
also have the hot fudge cake, and people were putting that on top of a funnel cake as well.
Tell us a little bit about the corn dogs and the deep fried jumbo
Hot
dog
dogs.
you have.
Okay, they're all beef. Ballpark franks for the small one. We hand dip them in our batter that we make here, fresh daily. They're delicious. Then the jumbo hot dog we put on a steamed bun. You have do chopped Vidalia onions, mustard, ketchup, and relish.
All right, thank you
like-
so much. It all
And-
sounds good. And
Yeah, all sorts of good stuff.
you sell everything sweet. You got fudge,
Yep, here, try this.
popcorn, and ice cream.
This just got finished being made by Mike.
I'm gonna try that.
Try it.
Let's
It's
try it.
really good. Not bad.
It is very good. You can tell that's fresh. And this is Mayfield ice cream, right?
Yeah, sure is. Sure is.
Some different flavors of that. There's strawberry cheesecake, chocolate, mint chocolate chip, orange pineapple, birthday cake, and some Rocky Road down in there. Let's take a look at the different prices. Cones or cups. There's the hot fudge cake, and we have seen people on YouTube eat that. That's gigantic.
They're delicious. They go down very easy, I think.
Shakes and sundae. I think 2 people could probably split those.
Oh yeah.
Is there a price on the popcorn?
And these are our homemade brownies. We make a brownie sundae out of these.
Man, those are huge.
Nice and big. Yep. That gets 3 scoops of ice cream and hot fudge and whipped cream on that. You like chocolate?
I like chocolate. A lot of fudge. You make that here too? The fudge?
No, but the same company's been making it for 30 years, I believe. We do have the best price in town on the fudge. 1 for $7 or 2 for $10.
And here are all your different varieties of ways you can get funnel cake.
That's right.
Take you an hour to decide what you want on there. You got Fruity Pebbles back there.
Sure
Cereal.
do.
Oh, and deep fried Twinkies. We've had those before. Not here, but we've had them. Those are
They're
good.
good?
Yeah. And we had a deep fried Musketeer bar one time.
Yum.
That's unique. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming in.
Well, guys, I almost missed the pork skins they have here. Here are the prices for that, but look what's behind the counter. Homemade potato chips.
That's right.
Now, I thought those were barbecue, but they're not. What'd you say was on those?
Lowry seasoned salts.
Seasoned salt.
Mm-hmm.
And what different kinds of pork rinds?
We've got barbecue, which is probably our #1 seller, and then plain and spicy.
You got just about everything in here.
Try.
And you said a chef works at this place? A chef, so you know everything's got to be good in here.
That's right.
Have some homemade pink lemonade and regular lemonade. Also have indoor seating in here if there's no place outside or if it's pouring the rain down. All right, guys, we came out here to sit on one of these picnic tables. It's a beautiful day here. There's Bobby's corn dog with the homemade batter. You know we had to get potato chips. That's a no-brainer. And that jumbo deep fried dog. Look at the size of that. And some pink lemonade. $2. Free refills, I think, too, on that. All right, Bobby. I'm gonna have you start trying some of this.
All right, so you know I'm gonna start out with these chips, homemade. John did not see these, but I spotted them.
You did.
Look how nice and thin. They're just seasoned with salt. So that has a nice crunch to it. Usually we get ranch or something to eat with these, but these have such a nice flavor, you don't need anything. I may stick these over here, John.
Okay.
Maybe I'll share. There's the corn dog. She said these were ballpark hot dogs. So it's just a cornmeal batter. It's nicely flavored. It's not sweet or anything. But look how golden brown that is. And they're ballpark hot dogs. Probably one of the best hot dogs you can get. They're good quality.
And they're beef hot dogs.
Yeah, it was the beef hot dog. So these are very good.
Before we get started, I'm gonna sneak over here because Bobby has those potato chips about an arm's length away from me. Bobby, what's wrong with you? Let's get one on, yeah. Nice and crispy looking. Those are very crispy, but what I notice about them, you don't taste anything else in that oil or grease. Sometimes when you get chips that are done like that, you can taste everything else they've been frying in them. Great job of making those. The salt on there, that Lowry seasoning comes through. You don't need anything with those. I mean, you could do ranch, but I like them just the way they are. Deep fried hot dog. Jumbo size hot dog. Been sitting here, so it's probably gonna fall apart on me. Been steamed. I loaded it up with some Vidalia onions, some relish, ketchup, and mustard on there. Now, these hot dogs are not ballpark hot dogs, but they are kosher beef brought in by a supplier. Pretty good size. Coming back from that first bite, the thing I like the best about this hot dog is that it's deep fried. I think last year we tried that maybe for the first time. Gives it that extra crunch, gives it all that flavor built inside there's coming out. I let it sit a little too long, so the bun's starting to fall apart. Very good hot dog. Wherever they're getting these made at, they're doing a great job on them. I would like some chili on there. I'm happy with this. $5, well worth it. Sitting out here, but potato chips and this together, it's a great little lunch. Or get a corn dog. You don't have to come in here just to get the sweet things. I'm gonna try this corn dog. I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup on there. Kristen did a great job of making those. I'd say very good corn dog using the top ingredients like the ballpark beef Angus hot dogs. You said, Bobby, it's not burnt. It's not greasy tasting. The cornmeal really comes through that. I would get this also again. try some of this pink lemonade. That's some great lemonade. It's not too tart. And the good thing about that, it was $2 and you can get refills on it. All right, guys, there is our funnel cake. That was $12, $8 traditional funnel cake and $4 for the topping. We didn't want whipped cream on there, but you could put ice cream or anything else you wanted on that, but it looks very good. Bobby is gonna try it.
I think the presentation looks so pretty with the red and the white powdered sugar on it. It's right in there.
Sorry about the shadows, guys, but just get in here one more time and look at it. What'd you think?
I must say, wow, that was very good. What did you see? The bottom, nice golden brown. It's not burnt. I like the flavor with the strawberry, with a little bit of the powdered sugar. With the funnel cake, it gives it a little bit of a sweet flavor, but not overly sweet. Look how nice they did that. It's not burnt or anything. It's done just right.
I'm gonna agree with Bobby. That looks pretty good on there with all that red and white mixed in. It gave you quite a few strawberries on there. So let's just get over here. It's crisp. I can hear a little bit of that crispiness on the outside. Get in here, get a couple pieces of strawberry. Let's take that off. First thing I noticed is the crispiness on the outside. She did a great job of fixing those in there. Then you get inside nice and moist. You got the sweetness of the powdered sugar with the sweetness of all these strawberries and that glaze on there. That really shines through. But this place reminds me of something. It reminds me of a fair without carnival rides. So you have ice cream in there, popcorn, funnel cake, corn dogs, hot dogs, pink lemonade. So if you want to come to the fair while you're in here in Pigeon Forge without the carnival, this is the place to come. Here is our receipt at the Funnel Cake Factory here on the Parkway in Pigeon Forge. It's $29 total. This doesn't break it down individually, but I do know the corn dog was $5, the hot dog was $5, funnel cake was $12, the drink was $2, and the potato chips must have been $3. Well, we just left the Funnel Cake Factory here in Pigeon Forge. What did you think of it, Bobby?
First of all, I wanted to give a shout out to Kristen and Michelle. They both did a very good job making the funnel cake and the corn dogs and those potato chips. Those were my favorite. I like the coating that was on the corn dog. It wasn't too much of a thick batter where you could still taste the hot dog. The funnel cake, it was nice and sweet, and I like you said, the crunchy edges of that funnel cake. It was very good. And beautiful day to sit outside.
Oh, couldn't go wrong with this day. Yeah, I enjoyed everything about that place. The potato chips especially, because you guys know we like those. Had that nice Lowry salt on there. Nice and crispy, not a greasy flavor to them. Funnel cake, same way, like Bobby said, with the edges crispy, moist inside, the strawberries on there. So this is a place you can come if you're just wanting a couple hot dogs. Because I don't know if a lot of you guys knew they sold hot dogs or corn dogs in there. You won't have to wait in some of these long lines around here. And you can get some dessert while you're in there. And the one thing we wanted to try, but we didn't have enough room, was the hot fudge cake. Because she said that's one of the most popular items there. But a few of our friends have done that one. Smoky Mountain Family and K&E RV TV. We're going to leave the links to their channels in this video. Make sure to go watch them. Try that.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again,
J&B
have left the building.